I already tasted this in my other video, but so far it's really good. It only has 2 grams of sugar, good for people who are watching their sugar intake, who, like, I'm a sweet person. It does taste sweet, but it's not like too sweet or anything. And it's lactose free, good for people who are lactose intolerant. And also it has less calories than some protein shakes out there. It's only 150 calories, and it only has 3 grams of carbs, 2 grams of sugar. It does have some vitamin A, potassium, calcium, vitamin D, and a little bit of iron. And it only has zero point 0.5 grams of total fat, which is really nice as well. And also the fact this is ultra filtered milk. So the fact that it has all these nice qualities and it does taste good, you can use this will be a drink that you can drink all the time, unless like artificial sweeteners, like not artificial sweeteners, but like the taste of that tastes like sugar but doesn't, like stevia or something like that. I don't know exactly what they put in here. Let me check. Yeah, I can't see which one is like something similar to that. So whatever they use in here, yeah, if you're sensitive to that taste, then do be aware of that. But like even like as a one-time drink, if you had to choose between other ones that are not lactose free, well, for this one, I would choose this one. So overall, great. And like I said, this is cookies and cream. You don't, it does taste like, it tastes like melted ice cream in a way. Like those Halo Top like those Halo Top cookies and cream ice cream. If it was like that, it would be similar to this. So yeah, I would recommend it, especially if you're looking to try new protein shakes. I like to experiment with different protein shakes to see what would work for me and what I like, because I want something that tastes good and that has high protein. And yeah, basically that's it. So I definitely would recommend this. Hi, I go under the name of Sweet Dream and I do review videos for fun. I review products that I'm gonna be using in my own house or for myself, that whether that be skincare or anything like that, and or if it's gonna be for a family member that I want to give it to. Just letting you know, some of these products I review, I it's either between I bought the product myself or the product was gifted to me by the brand. I'm just letting you know so you're self-aware. And then the link down below takes you to Amazon. I am an Amazon affiliate. So if you purchase through my link, I may get a commission at no cost to you. So I'm just letting you know so you're aware of that. And that link does take you straight to Amazon if you're on the phone and you click on it, it's going to take you straight to if you have the app downloaded on Amazon, it's going to take you straight there. And like I said, I just review stuff for fun, and I'm really grateful for doing this. If you want to see more, I do post as much as I can, and just like and follow and subscribe.